Hey guys, so as you all know, it's 2019, which means new year, new me. So, I'm gonna be doing a cat tour. This is my cat, Indie Moon Mothman. She smells. Turn around. So she has, these are her eyes. Turn around. These are her eyes. Turn around! Okay, so I'm trapping her. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come. Anyways, so here she is on the carpet. Move. There's her canned food. Here are her eyes. Look, Indie, eyes. There's one. Here are her eyes. She has one that has sunspots. Here are her eyes. Okay, Indie, look up. Okay, so those are her eyes. I think it's the right one. It has sunspots in it, so like she's gonna go blind in that eye one day. But like that's calm. But aside from that, like she's calm, she's cool. That's her tongue. Indie, show tongue. Indie, that's your face. Indie. Okay, so this is her stomach. Indie, high five. Okay, so that's her Okay, so that's her stomach. This is her face. Remember to like and to subscribe and to hit the notification bell and to subscribe and